remove the fat and try to find where everything is. This is so gets so distorted the way they are compressed. So the best way is to orient the heart. Okay. And I'll just cut it in half to make everything easier for you to see. And when you cut, you have to use proper safety technique, like cut away from your hand. So you're holding it like this, and you're cutting away where your fingers are not in danger. Okay, and never like hold it and don't slice it like a melon. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I should have left that intact. That would be nice. Okay. It's fine. Okay. Now, which one is the left side? Which is the right side? Okay. Well, you see this muscle? See how thick it is? You see this side is thinner.
Yeah.
This side thinner.
So thick is the
This
left.
side is thicker. This side is thicker because and we know this is the left ventricle.
Right.
So this space here is the left ventricle, okay? Or this ventricle here. This is the left ventricle. Why is that? Because the two walls of this ventricle are thickest. Here is very thin. This can't be. Why are the walls of the left ventricle thick? So thick.
It's pumping the blood. the
Pumping
artery.
blood to the heart. Remember what I said before? 10,000 miles? Yeah? So it requires a lot of effort and work. That's why the left ventricle walls are thicker, and you can identify the left ventricle easily. Okay. Now here, I wish it wasn't this compressed. If I can open it. Here, you see the valve. Which valve is this? The one with the strings?
This tricuspid, right?
In the left ventricle.
That's the mitral valve.
Mitral valve. Okay. So when the left ventricle contracts, it will send blood out, not to the mitral. Mitral brings the blood in from the left atrium, and this mitral opens and blood comes into the left atrium. Where's the left atrium? This little space here. Grab my finger. This little teeny tiny space. Yeah. So this space here is the left atrium. Blood comes in here through this mitral valve. Okay. And then the mitral valve pumps this, and these chordae they prevent this mitral valve again from opening, so they hold it tight. Yeah. So blood goes instead out via the aorta, which is here. I push this through.
Oh.
The ventricle will pump out, and it will cross the semilunar valves, which we can't see here unless I cut it like this. Then you'll be able to see the semilunar valves. Okay, but you automatically know if I insert this here, and I say blood traveling in this direction in this space where I put this instrument through is going to cross which valve?
The pulmonary valve, right? Yeah. Sorry, aortic valve.
Aortic valve.
It's from left ventricle, yeah.
Because this is you have to think everything in sequence. Oh, where walls very thick means left ventricle. Blood going out this way, it's not going through the mitral. It means the blood is going out of the ventricle. Otherwise, the blood will from here to here. Blood